Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of precision with the Apera Instruments AI102G GroStar Series GS2 Soil pH Pen Tester Kit. A lab-grade soil pH meter designed to meet the specific needs of growers by measuring pH and temperature directly in soil, coco coir, Rockwool, and various other media types, as well as nutrient solutions. This innovative tool features a replaceable Swiss spear pH sensor, making high-accuracy direct soil pH measurement easier than ever before. With a grower-friendly calibration workflow displayed on an HD backlit screen, you can complete a 2-point calibration in under a minute, ensuring your readings are as accurate as possible. The TruRead measurement mode is a standout feature, automatically generating the average, maximum, and minimum readings across different locations in your testing area, which helps minimize pH measurement errors. Additionally, the pH probe condition indicator and calibration reminder function make maintenance a breeze, ensuring your device is always ready to deliver precise results. Whether you're working with soil, coco coir, or Rockwool, this pH pen tester kit is designed to provide reliable and accurate readings to help you optimize your growing conditions. So, if you're a grower looking for a dependable and efficient way to measure pH levels, the Apera Instruments AI102G GroStar Series GS2 is the perfect tool for you. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.